So you hear that noise? That's the warning cry. One of the ways you can find snakes is actually using the birds. The birds hear the snakes. And they're making a racket here. So there's a magpie just over there. And look at this. Nice big carpet python. Out for a cruise in the twilight. Obviously trying to find a nice place to set up an ambush position. Quite a good sized animal too. It certainly upset these couple of magpies. Now that I've walked over, the maggies are sort of giving a bit more sort of clearance, but another way of finding snakes is using sound. Quite a good sized snake too. Really not worried by my presence. Oh, there we go. What the hell's this big thing? Probably the best part of about 7 and a bit feet long. It's probably picking up on my heat signals from here, so.